Hello, I'm Diogo Cavaleiro and I'm here to do a short presentation of this e-poster entitled Tribological and Machining Performance of Titanium Silicon Nitride Silver Coatings Deposited by HiPIMS. This work is integrated in the Portugal Austin Control Loop project. As a little background, this work focuses on the difficult to machine titanium alloy, titanium aluminum 6 vanadium 4, and the use of solid lubrication to replace liquid lubrication in an effort to improve the machinability of this type of alloys. In this work, we use the well-known titanium silicon nitride system for its good mechanical and thermal properties, and as a solid lubricant agent, we use the silver. All the tribological tests were performed on a standard pin-on-disc equipment, and all the turning tests were performed on a mechanical lathe. As seen on the e-poster and on the figures on the methodology part, we can see the different parameters we used on the tests, either for the tribological and for the machining tests. Just as a reference, the end of life for a tool was considered when the flunk wear in the tool reached 0.3 mm. As for the results, starting with the tribological tests against alumina balls, we can see on the graph here that for room temperature tests, the addition of silver actually deteriorates the wear resistance of the coatings. However, when the temperature increases to 600 degrees C, we can see a general increase in the wear resistance of all the coatings when they're compared to their respective room temperature counterparts. As for the tests against titanium aluminum 6 vanadium 4 balls, we found that the addition of silver coupled with the increase in temperature increases the wear resistance in a general manner. Adding to this, another interesting result we found was the added anti-adherent effect of silver at high temperatures, which could see potential use in reducing the formation of built-up edges during the machining process. Lastly, for our turning tests, we can see that for higher speeds, the addition of silver shows a beneficial effect in increasing the tool lives, even showing higher tool lives than that of the industrially used aluminum titanium nitride we tested. Thanks everyone for your time.